China have vetoed an effort to tighten United Nations sanctions on North Korea after a spate of missile launches this year, in the first split among the 5 veto-wielding permanent members of the UN's most powerful body since it began sanctioning Pyongyang in 2006. The remaining council members all voted in favor of the resolution that was drafted by the United States and proposed banning tobacco and oil exports to North Korea. It would also have blacklisted the Lazarus hacking group, which the US says is tied to North Korea. A United Security Council imposed sanctions after North Korea's first nuclear test explosion in 2006 and tightened them over the years in a total of 10 resolutions seeking, so far unsuccessfully, to rein in its nuclear and ballistic missile programs and cut off funding. This year alone, the country has carried out a total of 23 missile launches, 3 of them in the space of less than an hour on Wednesday morning.